Into this world all alone.
Nobody in the house watching her? How many are outside?
Where is he?
Oh, someone is inside.
No daycare. Jax doesn't want him at St. Thomas anymore.
Good decision. Margaret's gone anyway, so no need to go to the hospital any longer.
There's no maintenance warehouse out in the West End docks, Kilma Pier. They closed it down a few years back.
I know it.
That's the drop.
Is it though?
You handle this with the sheriffs, you bring in feds and local.
That's none of your concern.
But he needs that info.
Wendy's got to get herself into a rehab.
No. I'll make the calls.
What are you waiting for?
We have rough history, me and her.
Even more reason to get her into rehab. And out of your house.
And this mercy might ever be able to spill over into Tara's cup.
I can't go there.
Oh, see that deep? I get it.
Dude, you can't relate to this situation at all.
My ex, that bitch was shooting junk the whole time she was pregnant. Pain that Lucius has to live with, that's on her.
She's dead. You're not.
Yeah, but I'm the one that still gotta live with all that shit, because I never made it right when she was alive.
Your dead woman didn't do any of this on purpose, though. Unlike Tara.
Oh boy, you're getting heavy.
Where's Gemma?
She ain't here yet.
Thank you.
Immediately taken away from Uncle Tachi.
She seems really sad. A lot of that going around. It's not gonna get any better, is it? Not today, Chucky.
Chucky with some deep thoughts for a change.
If the DA finds out about the doubts regarding the miscarriage, they'll dig in to get the truth.
So I have to choose my boys or my freedom?
There's no guarantee of either. But essentially, yes, I guess that's true.
You fucked up.
See all you got?
I'm all you need.
We got Neil positions outside the prison. He's our eyes on the road.
So, are we doing this?
Nah, I changed my mind. We're not going to do this.
4 different delivery trucks. Different colors, different jobs. 2 men in each. Point A is here. Access road off of Fremont. We park and we wait. Lots of trucks are coming and going, so it looks like business as usual.
And this feels like a GTA heist. And usually those go terribly wrong. At least when you first try it. Holy shit, look at that gun.
You ready?
Yeah. Ready.
I'm surprised Bobby's part of it. I mean, he's not the most mobile, is he?
Why are we pink?
Come on, baby. You love pink.
We got 4 of them. Teller's not there, but I recognize 2 of them.
Looks like it's real.
All units, we have confirmation.
How do you think this goes down?
40 sheriffs, dozen Irish soldiers, lots of guns. Only one way it can't go down.
I can't imagine there's anything going down here. Right? They must have given them a wrong location. Was any of those girls the real mother of Abel? Would be convenient to just use them to keep the kid happy.
But if she goes away, what happens to them? I'm talking about the day-to-day of it, Gemma. Who takes care of them?
I do.
Grandma, of course, yeah.
You saying I'm too old?
I'm saying being a grandma and being a mom are two different jobs.
I'm aware of the burden, Wayne.
She used to be a ma of a boy. Uncle Touchy.
Opie, Half-Sack, Phil, they're all somebody's sons. If their mothers had a chance to do it over again, lead them in a different direction.
There are no second chances, Wayne. We get one shot at loving and raising our kids.
One shot. One opportunity.
You capture it. Just let it slip.
Don't let it slip.
You got to realize this isn't 1967 anymore, sweetheart. This life, it ain't romantic.
I'm sure she's aware of that, Wayne.
If you really don't want these boys here, why are you still helping me?
Because I love you. I'm in love with you.
Oh, Wayne. You fool. You old fool.
I gotta feel like I'm doing something right, Jax. Not like right or wrong kind of right, but
Like you're one of the good guys.
yeah, I used to know how to find some of that.
I think your good days are over, Juice. Ever since you killed that woman.
I suddenly feel the need for speed.
Holy shit, they got hit! Look at this shit. It's an ambush. What the hell do we do?
Want my advice?
Shut up, asshole.
You should take his advice. Give up.
Let him out! No one gets hurt!
Who the hell are they, Morrow?
Angels sent by the god of justice.
Well, I got news for you, shithead. This thing's a tank.
Where the hell are the Irish?
In Ireland.
Where they belong. Man, nothing went wrong.
Someone's taking down a prisoner transport on East Fremont. Who's the prisoner? Clay Morrow.
You got played.
Pulling all our resources to the other side of town.
Son of a bitch.
Yep.
No. He's a son of Anarchy. Oh, you're not going to shoot. You fucking idiot.
Ace!
Shit.
Yeah, that was a stupid move.
Hello, the base took one, but you showed us bad. It's just way beyond me, brother.
Well, let's find Tara, huh? I'm sure she would love to help.
What you doing there, buddy?
Making lunch for Wendy. She's sick.
Maybe you're gonna grow up and be a doctor like your mom someday.
Doubtful.
I want you to go on and get your new books out of Grandma's room.
We just pretend nothing happened and I'm mob doctor again?
Well, I'm willing to pretend if it's going to save his life. Bobby's going to die.
I'll be back in a little bit, baby. Wayne's gonna look after you guys, okay?
But he just got the books. Oh.
Hey. Where's my lunch? I thought you were making macaroni and cheese. Come on.
Uncle Touchy putting these kids to work immediately.
We alerted the hospitals in the area. You want me to round up the MC?
Not yet. I need to reevaluate my options.
All right.
Time to offer Tara a new deal,
Thank you, brother. For today.
Oh, exactly what Juice needed.
A lot of work to do, you and I.
Good job, Jackson.
It's not even episode 13.
Jesus Christ.
We had a vote. Decided this had to happen.
Now what about Clay? What's he supposed to do?
How's this gonna play out with Nero, Gemma, and Tara? Same way.
What, does that mean you're going to shoot them? I mean, that answer was very vague.
Is everybody else okay?
Yeah.
Gemma.
And I thought their scene in the last episode was going to be their last.
They're carting you off to Belfast.
I don't think so.
I thought that was the plan.
I think there's another plan.
And that plan is... I mean, they're not just going to kill him, right? They already voted on that last season.
Call us 50 minutes, Harry. So, what happens now, Prez?
We settle with the Irish.
Oh, Connor the new lead?
How do we do that with 3 dead bodies?
How would you do it?
Blame it on a bad relationship. 2 guys with some history get into a beef. One thing leads to another. Couldn't be helped.
Sounds about right.
Are you taking the fall for this, Clay? They're going to kill you for that.
I guess you had another vote I wasn't privy to.
Yeah, we did. This time it was unanimous.
It's good.
Yeah. You okay?
Yeah.
This just doesn't feel right that they just voted on this again. They spared his life last season and now they just vote again on it, and now they all went along with it for whatever reason.
A few months ago, Clay killed Piney Winston. Then he ordered the cartel to kill me because I knew what he did to John Teller.
Jesus.
Clay Morrow should have been dead a long time ago.
I actually agree with that. He should have died last season, or even in season 4, because this is not too satisfying. Although it makes sense in the bigger picture that he died to end the Irish connection, when his story pretty much started with killing Jax's father for continuing the Irish connection.
Oh, Jesus.
There's no way he believes this.
Easy, brother.
I mean, why would Clay kill Galen? The guy who broke him out of prison.
Let me tell you what happened here.
Yes, let's get the lie straight.
Clay shot Galen. Your men ran in. Clay dropped them too.
So why aren't they dead at the door?
Did you murder them all?
You're not listening to what I'm saying.
Obviously.
I am giving you the truth you need. So let's move past it, so we can both go home to our families.
Does he have a family?
The Kings will want to know your side of the story.
Whatever you need.
And what if they don't believe us? Then what?
Then we swear on a stack of Catholic Bibles.
That should be good enough for them.
I don't know why I'm so goddamn sad.
Hey, good or bad, Clay was a huge piece of your life. It's gonna take a minute.
He's not worth a minute.
You just keep telling that to yourself. Maybe one day you believe it.
Tex loves you, Nero. I see how he looks at you.
You're too old to adopt.
You can always marry me.
No offense, Mama. I've seen what happens to your husbands.
Too soon.
If I pulled a bullet out of a club member from today's shooting, would that be proof?
With your testimony, yes. That would put the member at the crime scene. Prove the sons were responsible.
That would also put a crosshair on your head.
I think she's in for a very long night.
Found 4 dead bodies and 6 cases of KG9s in a hangar off 104. 2 of the DBs
Clay Morrow and Galen O'Shea.
Looks like it's gonna be a long night for everybody.
Man, and I bet she had plans for this night. Chips, you better keep an eye on that bullet.
Teller kept his promise. Gave you Galen and the guns.
No, he didn't. The deal I made didn't include a stack of dead bodies.
So now you will go after him with all your force, right? That's what you promised him.
I understand why you did everything you did. I'm sorry being with me took you to that place.
Now she's conflicted again after those words. Because I bet she already has the bullet in her hand. Or in that towel. Or whatever she's carrying there. In her pocket. Okay, close enough. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? She doesn't know.